Nestled in the biodiversity hotspots of Western Ghats lies a beautiful bird sanctuary known as Karnala. Every year, during monsoon, a very special bird comes here, known as the jewel of Karnala, the majestic dwarf kingfisher. Let me take you to a quest to find this jewel of Karnala with me. Karnala is a short road trip from the busy city of Mumbai. It is also very well connected via train route. One can easily reach Karnala by taking a train from Mumbai to Panvel. As we approached our destination, Karnala, the lush green forest and mountains welcomed us.
So we are at Karnala Bird Sanctuary and we are here primarily for the dwarf kingfisher, one of the coolest looking bird of this region, a color bomb. And yeah, we are in this property, a very nice cozy place to stay. So if you want to book a height session with Samadhan and if you want to stay here, I have given the number in the description. You can contact him and get your height session booked.
Before heading towards the ODKF height, right at the property, I found one of the most beautiful sunbird of Western Ghats, which also is an endemic one, the Vigor sunbird.
So me and Budada are heading towards the height now. Our guide is also here with us. So we'll have to hike for approximately 15-20 minutes in order to reach the height. And yeah, on the way if we see something good, then we'll definitely stop and click. But yeah, such a pretty habitat. The good thing about afternoon session is that the light is very good since it is not raining right now, and yeah, the light is actually very good. There are other birds as well that you can find in Karnala, like the slaty-legged crake and banded bay cuckoo also you might find. And these type of water streams are very good for frogs. Since I'm wearing gumboot, I think I can just step into the water and go. Wow, this part is too good. किस तरफ जाना है? सीधा सीधा वाओ, लेफ्ट पे क्या? अच्छा, this is definitely a great spot for herping. I'm enjoying the hike as well. Such a pretty cute little forest. But yeah, make sure that you are wearing gumboot or proper boots, especially during monsoon, because a lot of snakes are here. Though there are a lot of controversies around the height photography and height birding, but as per my discussion with Shashank Dalvi, as long as We are not forcing the bird to change its behavior. It is absolutely ethical. And in case of ODKF, the height is actually the best way to approach the bird, since there is no feeding involved. So there is no like change in the natural behavior of the bird. Oh wow. So an unexpected, extremely rare encounter with a chameleon. Amazing. Actually, I missed the chameleon and I went right past it. Then Budada spotted it and it's there. I got a small clip, but I'm probably not going to bother it too much. Let's see if it gives us any other opportunity to click it. Amazing habitat, and what a sighting to begin with. Though neither me nor Budada got a good shot, but it was a lifer. I got a record video clip and I'm happy. We decided not to bother it. See, this is the habitat. Wow. Even before getting the ODKF, we are actually enjoying this small hike. Of course, it's extremely humid, but keeping that part aside, it's super pretty. We are about to reach the height now. And finally we have arrived at the height. The view from inside. Now let me set up my tripod and कौन से वाले पर्च पे आता है? वो आगे वाले? हाँ. ठीक है. So we are all set. The light is a little harsh, not the best light, but yeah, at least we can shoot at a lower ISO. So now the patience game begins.
We didn't have to wait for long before we had our first sighting of this ethereal beauty. The kingfisher was busy fetching different kills for its newborns. It was a treat for us during our height session to see this beauty bringing different kills. Due to sensible ecotourism and community conservation efforts, Karnala has seen a spike in ODKF population this year, and I was delighted to freeze this bird in my camera. Towards the very end of our height session, we had a fascinating sighting. We saw a checkered keelback fishing by the river stream. Though we could not capture the fishing moment in our camera, but we sure did saw it with our eyes.
So we are done with the height session, and just before leaving the height in this water stream, I saw a beautiful snake and it gave me some amazing shots. So yeah, it's time to go back now, and on the way we'll look for some wildlife if we find anything, snakes, frogs, birds, whatever. And if we don't find anything, tomorrow morning we are going to come back again, and primarily I'll try to look for other birds. If it rains a lot tomorrow morning, then probably I'll ditch the plan, but yeah, let's see.
After our height session, we couldn't see any other birds or wildlife around, but our guide Samadhan informed us that at another place he has seen one of the extreme rarity, a slaty-legged crake, So we knew what we had to go for the next morning. The crake was spotted at another hide which was made for common kingfisher. So without wasting any time, we went to the hide early in the morning. Right after reaching the hide, we spotted a common kingfisher with a kill. Finally, the extremely rare lifer was in front of me, the slaty-legged crake, which is mostly seen in Thailand, Vietnam, and Singapore, but very rarely seen in India. There are very few sightings of this bird from Thatekad and Karnala, and watching this rarity bathing in front of us surely had made my day. I couldn't have asked for more from this Karnala trip.
So finally we got the crake, and with that our Karnala part of the trip is over. Now I'll see you in Matheran.